It's been a while, guys. Busy, you know, school, work.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But anyway, got some stuff again for the zine, and I just want to keep you guys updated, so sorry on the lag of videos. So obviously, you know, I'm going to put my quick release, everything, my steering wheel and stuff. So I'm going to start off here in the front. It's going to be, take off the cap, this bolt, whatever we want to call it. And there's another one on the other side. This slides off, and there's a 19mm nut right here, a bolt. And then you take it off, and then kind of wiggle the steering wheel, and it'll come off. And then we start putting on the rest of the stuff. So let's get to that. One of the bolts are out, this one, but I kind of stripped the other one, and it's like super hard to get off. So I think we're just gonna kind of break part of the plastic, cut it off, and then put vice grip or something on the other bolt, and just twist it off like that, because this is taking too long. So you'll see. That took a while. Just busted off the other bolt. So this is what continues. Got the two bolts off from this side, that side. They look like this. And then this comes off. You gotta take off these wiring for the airbags. So I'm gonna take those off right now and take that off with a 19mm whatever. You guys will see right now. This is the airbag. It's off. So now proceed to take this one off. Probably getting an extension for this one. So I'm gonna take the bolt off and show you guys after. Then we're gonna start putting on the hub, quick release, and the steering wheel. So see you guys in a bit. That bolt was super easy with my breaker bar. So now you just gotta hit that side, I mean this way, that way, and you gotta like keep hitting the steering wheel each side until it feels loose. Then you can just pull it right off. Okay, there you go. And then you want to disconnect that for the horn and just remove the airbag wiring from here so it doesn't get ripped off. And then for the horn right there. So steering wheel off, piece of cake, airbag sensors for the horn, and now we start with the hub and stuff. So let's get that crap out. And the hub, the hardware comes with a like adapter for the horn and resistors for these things. So yeah, you guys will see that in a bit. Here's the short hub. This is it right here. NRG, and then here's the resistors for the airbag and the thing for the horn. So let's get cracking into this. And one thing you should keep in mind, or that I want to tell you, is my wheel was turned to the left and it was like upside down, so it's not straight. See this thing right here? It's a mark. That is supposed to line up with the black dot right there. So it should be something like that, more or less. And then these things, the wires go through this hole right here. Put the nut back on, get everything going, and then I'll show you guys when I put on the quick release. So I got the wires through, the hub's on, it's lined up, black dot with that ridge in the middle. Now I just gotta put the bolt, or I mean the nut back on. Tighten it with this baby right here, and then we move on to steering wheel and quick release, and then we're done, guys. I got it on. I actually turned it back with my breaker bar, so it's kind of straight. My wheels are straight. This is also lined up perfectly. Now time for the quick release and the wheel. Here's the quick release. It's just 3.0, I think. Just grab the wheel, pops right off. So let's get cracking with this thing, man. Then just came with this, some bolts and some spacers. And yeah, so let's get started with this thing. Put the wires back in. Yeah, pretty messy, but whatever's. So now quick release. This is attached to the steering wheel. This is attached to the hub. So what I'm gonna do, push this down, press this button in, bam. So this attached to the steering wheel right now. So I'm gonna attach like that. Then put the steering wheel on and we're good to go, guys. Only came with 6 screws. And I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I need some for my steering wheel. So I'm gonna go get them tomorrow. For now, I'm gonna put 3 here and 3 on the steering wheel. So here's the thing on, super tight hub. And now you guys get to see what kind of steering wheel I got. Let's reach on over here. Yes, it is a Grip Royal steering wheel. And there it is. Neochrome in the front, gold in the back. Time to install it. Steering wheel is now done, ready to go. And there we go. Now we just need to plug everything back in, put it on, make this straight, and we're good to go, guys. So hope you guys like it. Hope you guys like the steering wheel, and I mean, I like it. So sorry to like keep you guys waiting on content though. It's been pretty rough because I got a bunch of work and school. But I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. So see you till next time. Sorry.
Ay, ay, ay. I like bitch, who is your mess? Ay, can't keep my dick.